Alright guys, how's it going? So normal service has resumed and I'm back looking at Blender things. Now, rather than making an add-on video, I thought I would put a little bit of attention on an artist called Julio Sillet. I apologise if I haven't pronounced your name correctly, but they have a huge collection of PBR materials, and when I say huge, I mean a shitload. Now, you can individually download each pack for free. Totally up to yourself, but I recommend you fork out the $3. Absolute bargain for the price. You get all 99 materials plus the S bar, which is essentially the substance bar, which means you can manipulate the materials. But I'm cheap, I've downloaded the free pack, and I'm going to take a quick look in Blender. And this is just a typical example. I mean, look how good these materials look. Now, if you have the material library installed, for example, you can quickly select an object and add the material to your library. And this is a great way for quickly building up different materials. I mean, these look absolutely gorgeous. There's a lot of work going into these, and the fact that they're free is a damn bonus. So thank you, Julio. Keep in mind, you can also support the artist on Patreon. Now what I'll do here is, I'll quickly select an object and I'll jump into the shading tab, and we'll just take a look at the PBR setup. Now, they essentially have a textured coordinate, which goes into a mapping node. You then have two different base colours, which go into a multiply node, and that goes into the base. They then have a roughness, a normal map, and a displacement map. Now there's different setups here all ready for you in case you want to use Eve or Cycles, but I'm pretty happy at that. And if you actually take a look inside of the folder, you obviously get the diffuse or the albedo, you get the ground, which is ambient inclusion, you get a height map, a normal map, and a roughness map. And that pretty much goes for every single texture. So do me a favour, help your comrades out, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, costs you absolutely nothing, follow me on Twitter, you know what to do. Peace.